Please don't canter along the road, Gracie. Please don't. That would not be pleasant for either of us. Alright, so I'm just editing the video right now, and I'd just like to let you know that I was not riding well in this video. It was taken a couple of weeks ago, and I didn't post it at the time because I was like really unhappy with how I'd ridden and how I dealt with what had happened. And I think that since then I have improved like a lot in both my confidence and just like my ability to deal with stressful situations like this one. So yeah, I just wanted to let you know that, you know, it's okay to be nervous, but how I reacted to the situation probably wasn't the best. But yeah. Okay, hopefully this works this time. The GoPro wasn't really wanting to record, but today Grace and I are going on a bit of a solo ride. I just wanted to spend a bit of time with Grace. Basically, she can't really be ridden in the arena anymore because of a few health issues that she's got. Come on, oh, she's telling me we need her whip. Yeah, we've got a new delivery to pay. So basically, I just want to spend a bit of time schooling her, but on the trail. So that's what we're going to be doing for the first few minutes of the ride, and then, you know, we'll just have a nice relaxed trail. Come on, Miss Gracie. She's all decked out in her savvy event gear today. Oh, hopefully I got that on camera. She is a pretty girl, but she doesn't like standing still. Stay. Hey. Some days she's better than others. Because the reason she can't go in the arena is because just corners aren't great for her. So what I was thinking, we've got a bit of a long straight stretch just ahead, just around the corner from here. And we're going to spend a little bit of time there going up and down, working in walk, trot, canter, just seeing if she can be a bit more responsive to me. Good girl, she's better off that leg. Yeah, don't get too bendy, darling. Is she doing a poo? No, she's just... Okay. Good girl. Come on. Not sure what to think. It's okay. See, darling? We're doing a schooling session. Yeah, she likes to rush up this way a bit. Hey. Hey. I don't want to be relying on them. Now. And you know, maybe that stretch of track isn't going to be the best spot for us, but hopefully in the future we're able to get a bit of a better ride in there. Right. So, stop that. But this is not the way that you should be riding. Good girl. That's a good girl. That's a good girl. Okay, let's go for a little trot. Hey, you. What's that all about? Yeah. are sideways cantering. Hey, I don't like being heavy on the hands like on your mouth like this, sweetheart. But it just goes without saying that we walk when we're meant to walk. That's it. That's it, sweetheart. No, this behaviour does not get you what you want. Because I know what it is you want, and I wasn't going to let you have it. Come on. Oh, that went to plan, didn't it? Oh, sweetheart. So basically what I was trying to do at the top of there was to get her into a nice controlled canter, but obviously, as you could probably see, it was more of a zero control wild gallop up the hill. I try, you know, I really do. I think I just need Mum to be there. Trotting does not mean anything. That's it. That's my girl. That's my girl. That's my girl. That's it. That's my darling girl. And wool. And wool. Yeah. Sorry, I get a bit nervous when she does that. Hey. It's okay. I swear to God, Grace. Hey Rex, and if you're watching this, this is the exact spot that I fell off my little sister's pony and broke my shoulder. That's why I freaked out so much. Mate. Oh my God. Please don't canter along the road, Lucy. Please don't, that would not be pleasant for either of us. That's it. That's it. Oh God. That's right. But it doesn't bloody mean anything. Okay, that's scary. No, it's not. No, it's not. It's not scary. You just need to ride it. You just need to ride it. Ride it through it. Push her through it. Come on. Oh my God, I can do that thing where I sit with my seat and I push her on. Push her through it. Oh my God, breakthrough moment. Ding. I feel so much less nervous now. It's like, oh my God. Oh my God. Thanks a lot, horse. My phone's fallen out of my pocket. I can see it. I can see it on the ground. Thanks a lot, bloody horse. Mate. Ugh. Because she can't stand still when I get on. We want to just stand here for a while while I get my breath. Okay. Oh, thank you, darling girl. You're my best girlie. Hey, you silly. They literally don't care. They don't give a f about your nonsense. Is she getting separation anxiety from a couple of horses that she met a couple of minutes ago? I swear to God. I swear to God, you horse. Hey, you. Hey, you. We're walking straight down here. Oh my God. This is the most silly behaviour we've had on a ride in a while. Bloody well backwards. I'm actually pretty impressed with my stickability today. It's not pleasant, darling. It's not pleasant at all. Darn it. Darn it. God damn it. God damn it, Gracie. You bloody well know. Oh my God. Do you want to practice going through there again? Let's go. Practice. Good girl. That's nothing. I'm actually gonna get off because we often have some issues with the next part, and when she's behaving like this, poor darling. Hey sweetheart, hey sweetheart, oh sweet, oh darling, oh shit, I'm gonna please just don't be a kid, would you? I don't think Mum or Dad are home at the moment. I don't want to have to walk home. But I know if I rode her home when she's going like this, I just want to turn around and see if I can get her to stand when we're turning the other direction. Yeah. That's a start. Bloody hell, Mum. Doing nothing at the moment. I'm literally just sitting here. Oh my God, I'm gonna f***ing cry. Hey, stop it. Just don't be a kid. Oh my God. Oh my God. I don't want to end on this tonight. I really don't. Please just walk to the gate at least. Walk to the gate at least. Oh, that was a fucking shit ride.